reaching out and up as tall as you can, and then pressing the fingertips together, gently pressing energy down towards the earth. Take another inhale, reach out and up. Exhale, think about pressing away any energy that will not serve you. Inhale, spaciousness, freedom. Exhale, negativity, heaviness. And now take a wide stance. Take an inhale as you reach up tall, and as you exhale, take your palms and face them down towards the ground in line with your shoulders. Shift over to the right. Halo as you shift left. Press to the right. Open out to center. Shift to the right. Halo as you shift left. Press to the right. Open to center. Shift to the left. Halo to the right. Press to the left. Open to center. And as you do this, visualize flow coming into your day with ease and grace. And now we're going to work with cactus arms. Take a deep breath in, reach up tall. And as you bring your arms down, bring your elbows level with your shoulders. And go through a few of these movements. Inhaling, reaching up tall. Exhaling, elbows level with the shoulders. And begin to open up your chest. Begin to open up the front body, the shoulders, the neck. And breathe space into those areas of the body that can become stagnant with leaning forward and sitting down that we do in our daily lives. Breathe out, in and up. And as you bring your arms down, slowly begin to bring them all the way down with your palms facing upward and forward, bringing more space into that front body. Inhale as you reach up. Exhale. Elbows to shoulders, continue down with your palms facing upward and forward. And now we're just going to swing the arms from side to side, bring in some flexibility into the spine, some movement into the spine, finding space. Breathing intentionally, inhaling and exhaling wherever it feels right to fit them in. And reach up to the top corners of the room to find a lovely side stretch. Moving on to arm circles, so mobilizing into the shoulders, big circles going in one direction and then changing direction for around 3 or 4 times each way. And now moving on to side stretches. Continue working with the breath, and as you inhale, reach up towards the sky through your fingertips, and as you exhale, take that side bend. Changing sides. Inhale, reaching up with the opposite hand. Exhale, take that bend over to the side, and keep going for a few repetitions here. And now finishing, inhale your intention up towards the sky. Exhale anything negative towards the ground and away from your body. Inhale, reach out and up. And as you exhale that negative energy, remember it will transform to positive energy and send love and light out into the world. Inhale one last time, reach out and up. And as you exhale, come to center yourself. Just begin to tune into how your body's feeling. You are nurturing your mind and your body in real time.